history function or in the previous lesson, you calculate the total amount of fruits brought as well as the average price for those fruits using the sum and average functions. In this lesson, you apply other functions to your fruit list. To count the number of fruit, use count functions. To count the number of fruits, use count function. Which function? Count function. Now we will do max, minimum, min, means, and count function. We will be able to do this. And before starting, I will take a review of you. Please write the comment in comment. Okay? This is true or false. Write true next to the correct statement and false next to the wrong one. Please tell me in comment. I am waiting for you. A function does not have to start with an equal sign. I will repeat it. A function does not have to start with an equal sign. Please check my previous video. The link in description, and please tell me the answer in the comment box. B. There's two questions. First, I have tell to you, and second, I am telling. The function you use to calculate the mean salaries for a group of employees is the average function. Is true or false? Please tell me in the comment box, please. Okay? And this is exercise for you. The following spreadsheet shows the height of a number of students. Okay? Write a function that calculates the total height of the student is equal to sum bracket before colon weekend bracket close. Write a function that calculates the average height of the students is equal to average in capitalization and sum also in capitalization and bracket before colon weekend. Okay. Please tell me the true false in the comment box. I am waiting for you. It's true or false. Okay. In the previous lesson, you calculate the total amount of fruits. What is the average price for this fruit using the sum and average function. In this lesson, you apply other function to your fruit list. To count the number of fruits, use count function. Count function. Count function. Okay, it's count function. Please, I will make it. I will check it. Which one is this? Okay. It's not the file. I think this is. No, in the previous lesson I told you. It's not. I think this one. No, it's not. I will check it. Please wait for a second. What's personal? It's alright. I will use this one, okay? Okay, I will use this one. I'm not. Oh. What is it? Wait. Like this. And I'll write here total. And in this column, I will write some applies, so I'll write 3. The sum was already applied, so I'll write like this. Average. sorry. I'm not good. Okay, it's alright. Okay. I will go do it. Okay, now. Okay, now I will write here number of fruits. Number of fruits. So let's start our work. Number of fruits. Okay. So write number of. It's alright. So I have written number. Oh sorry, didn't give the space properly. It's alright. So in previous video I have told that function. Oh, it's your review. I can't tell. Okay, for sub function, for count function, using the count function is basically that I have how many fruits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's short. If you have a long list, if you it's difficult for you using the count function. Okay. So first of all is equal sign, and in capitalization count, and then please tell me bracket. Yes, it's bracket. And which one I count? I think I will B. Oh sorry. B. Sorry, very sorry. It's not working. Why? B. And I will close the bracket and click anywhere. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The answer is represent. So the count is very, very easy. Okay. What is next? Next is the short form of maximum. What is maximum? More than, longer, bigger. Okay? You understand what I'm saying? So to find which fruits have the most amount, use the max function. Max. Okay? So now I don't write maximum. I will write here. Please tell me. I will write here. Most. Why most? Max also means most amount. Okay? Most amount. No, so what should we do? First of all, equals to sign. Then M in capitalization, M-A and X, max. And then, I will write again, M-A-X, max. Then, what? Bracket. Yes, you are right. Bracket. B 2 colon B 6. It's alright. And click anywhere and this is the answer. The max is 35 is greater than or no, 20 no, 30 no, 10 no. And the 40 is greatest. So I think the orange has more amount than all of them. Okay? Do you understand what I'm saying? And I will do it in the C column. So let's start. Is equal to, I'm writing first, max. I'm not seeing what I'm writing. I'm doing well. Please tell me in the comment box. I don't know what I'm writing. I'm very fast and you can be behind. I do the same. But why? Oh, sorry. I do a mistake. Is equal to, I've already done max. And I don't know what I'm writing. C2. Oh, it's alright. And the maximum is 4. Because 3 is no. 3 no. 2.5 no. 4 I don't know. 3.5. And the most amount is 4.1. Okay. So most amount, and the last one is minimum. So it's very interesting. So then minimum. What is minimum? Minimum means least, shortest. Smaller. Okay? Do you understand? You are getting the point. So like that. So I will write L-E-A-S-T. Oh sorry. No, I will write smaller. No. Okay, it's alright. L-E-A-S. Least amount. It's alright. Least amount and enter. And what is for minimum? It's alright. Is equal to not MAX. I will write here min, M-I-N in capitalization. Min bracket. I will see bracket. It's alright. C2 colon C6. It's alright. Yes. And enter it anywhere. And the answer is there. 2.5 is the shortest, smallest, least amount. Okay. So do you know there's a auto sum? Click the auto sum button in the home tab to apply the function automatically. Suppose most amount always. I will click it and go to the where I will go where the auto sum button. Auto sum button. Okay. Auto sum button. Okay, I will click the auto sum button like 7. This is the other side. So this was the max, so then this also. Wait. Only I have 3 steps. C2, C6. Last 3 steps. Okay. You understand? Okay. I'll give you a task. Please tell me in the comment box, what does the auto sum button do? Can I tell? No, I can't tell. I will tell in next video. Please, I will wait for the comment and under exercise write a function that calculates the number of students is equal to sum before B10. Write a function that finds the tallest student is equal to max column, before column B10 is equal to, write a function that finds the shortest student is equal to min bracket before column B10. Okay. If you like my video, please subscribe. I'm waiting for your bye. See you in next video.